So every single patient again that I do in my clinic or clinics, they can be brought up to the Osstell Connect platform. So what you're seeing here is the login for my clinic here, and I can look at the clinic per se, I can look at all the patients, we can add new patients here, we can of course connect to each other by means of the community. So inside here again there are so many lessons that can be learned. I can pool all the patient data that I have for my office. I can look at different loading protocols that you see on the upper and right, what type of implant brands I'm using, if I have any patients with risk factors. So every single statistics can be distributed inside the Osstell Connect software. And again, as I showed you before, I can look at my active patients, I can go in patient by patient, create exports for my referring doctors, and really communicate on a very, very high level with the different members of the team. And also, of course, to you as colleagues around the world.